Well, hello again. Welcome to Chemistry A, Unit 4. We're going to talk today on Day 2 notes about naming binary molecular compounds. So let's get started. Now, prefixes in the names of binary molecular compounds will help distinguish compounds containing different numbers of atoms. Prefixes come before the name. Suffixes come at the end of the name. So prefixes that we used in naming binary molecular compounds include the following. Mono is 1, di is 2, tri is 3, tetra is 4, penta is 5, hexa is 6, hepta is 7, octa is 8, nona is 9, and deca is 10. Those are the prefixes that we will use in naming molecular compounds. Remember, molecular compounds are covalent compounds. Okay? Guidelines for naming molecular compounds include, number 1, confirm that the compound is actually a binary molecular compound being composed of 2 nonmetals. That is your first step in any naming process, is to determine what type of bond is taking place. If it is an ionic bond, remember it is a metal bonding with a nonmetal. We do not use prefixes in ionic compounds. The only time we use prefixes is if it is a molecular compound, which are 2 nonmetals. Number 2, name the elements in order listed in the formula. Number 3, use prefixes to indicate the number of each kind of atom. Number 4, you will omit mono when the formula contains only one atom of the first element. So we would not say mono, hydrogen, etc., etc. Okay? We only use mono if it's in the second element. And the suffix of the name of the second element, like ionic compounds, is IDE. So those are the 5 rules. Here is our example. C2O8. That's 2 carbons and 8 oxygens. So what should we have? We should have dicarbon octaoxide. Dicarbon octaoxide. Di means 2, octa means 8. Now when we're writing the formulas for binary molecular compounds, we have to use prefixes as well in the name. The prefixes in the name will tell you the subscript of each element. Then write the correct symbols for the 2 elements with the right subscripts. So for example, dinitrogen tetraoxide. What will that be? Correct. N2O4. Dinitrogen tetraoxide. Okay? So the chemical formula writing guidelines. Number 1, an IDE ending indicates a binary compound. An ITE ending means there's a polyatomic ion that includes oxygen. Number 3, prefixes in a name generally indicate the compound is molecular. And number 4, a Roman numeral after the name of a cation shows the ionic charge of the cation.